Hi there! Who doesn't like fried food? But the problem is, it's not healthy. So air fryer, I'd say, is a must-have for every home where it cooks all your favorite food, like even French fries with zero oil. Today we have the newly launched Philips Smart Air Fryer. It has a fully digital touchscreen with a 6.2 liter capacity, ideal to cook the food for the whole family in one go. Philips has been the pioneer for air fryers in India for the longest time, and adding more smart features like app connectivity, Alexa support, and rapid air technology. It's taken the experience to the next level. Now off late, I've been cooking a lot of stuff here like French fries and even my favorite chicken with almost 90% less oil. But does it taste the same? Let's find out. I'll take you through a quick unboxing and share my experiences so you can decide if you should buy the Philips air fryer or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Philips Smart Air Fryer. This is a 1.2 kg or 6.2 liter size. On the side you can see Essential XL, NutriYou App support. It's a touch screen with 7 presets, and it also has the keep warm feature as well. Here you can see the model number HD9280/90 with an MRP of 17,995. But don't worry, you can get this for under 15,000. Let's open it up. Inside the box you have the user manual and the air fryer itself. The build of the Philips air fryer is plastic. It's very solid and premium. The top section has a digital touch display. It comes with a screen protector. Make sure you peel it off. Then the 6.2 liter Philips air fryer comes with 2000 watts, much more powerful than other air fryers in the market. Then right below here is the basket where you place your food, and as you can see, this is huge. The inside section is made of non-stick material. You press this button to release the inner basket. Now if you look at the bottom, it comes with a starfish design. It swills hot air for even cooking. So once you've placed your air fryer in the kitchen, plug the power cord in and turn it on. You'll see the display lighten up. Now you'll see that there's a power light and a Wi-Fi light which is blinking. Now what you do is you take your Android or iPhone, go to the App Store or Play Store and download the NutriYou app. You're going to need to pair your air fryer to this app for more functions that you can use. We'll go through the app interface in just a moment.
A few moments later.
Now once the pairing process is complete, you'll see that the Wi-Fi icon has stopped blinking. Now you just press the power button for a second and the air fryer is turned on. You can see the display lighten up. Now this is a fully touch display. That's the best part. Here at the bottom there are also some presets of most commonly cooked food. Like the first one is frozen potato based snacks. There you go. The second one is everyone's favorite, French fries. The third one is chicken drumsticks. The fourth one is fish fillets. The fifth one right here at the bottom is muffins and cake. The sixth one is meat chops. The seventh one is vegetables. You can grill your vegetables. And the eighth one, and the most important one, is again keep warm. Now this is a feature we don't see in many other air fryers. And you press it again and you can come to manual cooking. Alright, enough info. It's time to cook something. So I had marinated some chicken, but before I put it to cook, we want to make sure that the grill is brushed with some oil. Of course, this is far lesser oil than you would need if you had to fry it. Then we place the chicken pieces in the basket. Then I also brush some oil on the chicken pieces. At last, applied some leftover marination. Then we go to the manual settings, set temperature 180 degrees and timer for 15 minutes. Start.
15 minutes later.
Oh wow, check out the juicy chicken. Looks so amazing. The best part is, unlike other air fryers, we didn't even need to turn the other side. Cooks evenly here thanks to the rapid air technology. Now also let's cut it and see. There you go. It's so perfect and juicy. Amazing. So well cooked. Now similarly, the list of things that you can make in an air fryer with almost zero oil are endless. And the best part is it tastes just the same. Quick look at the NutriYou app and you have access to over 500 plus recipes. Trust me, there is a lot to explore here. From grilling to baking. Then you can remotely start the cooking from here, choose presets or manually set the time, the cooking temperature. Now you can lie down on your couch and monitor the exact time remaining, all from the app itself. So convenient. Now let's make some French fries. Now I got these from the local store, McCain's. Just put as many as you like in the fryer tray. Go to the menu, choose French fries and turn it on. Now it's showing 38 minutes. Now I haven't actually filled them, so probably 15 minutes is max you'd need.
15 minutes later.
There you go, we're done. Check out the perfect fluffy golden fries. Now with previous air fryers I've used, we usually have to open the basket at halftime and mix and swirl the food so that we get that even cooking. But with Philips rapid air technology on this one, the cooking is even. You don't have to open it, you don't have to swirl it, nothing. It just cooks perfectly and evenly. Alright, it's time to taste them. Okay, firstly, it's really hot and tastes really nice. Just like they would if we had fried them. Only now, they are much healthier. Okay, let's look at some benefits of an air fryer. The biggest one being healthier cooking. It cuts down about 70 to 80% of your calorie intake, 90% less oil. It's also safe. There's no oil spilling risk. There's no flame. Food is crispy. And also, air fryer is a lot easier to clean compared to your traditional cooking vessels. You can just open this basket, take it under the tap, use the soap and water and clean it. It's super simple. Also, most air fryers are small, so you have to cook small portions. But now with this Philips XL variant, it's perfect to cook for the whole family in one go. The Philips HD9280 Smart Air Fryer, the 6.2 Ltr one, is priced at 15,990. By the way, there's also a smaller one, 4.1 Ltr. The variant number is HD9252/90. That's for 8,800 on Amazon. If you want to cook smaller portions, then that would be ideal. Both these air fryers come with 2-year warranty, so you don't have to worry a thing. In fact, Philips as a brand doesn't even need an introduction. You think of domestic home appliances and probably the first name that comes to your head is Philips. So I'll share the links of both the variants, the 6.2 Ltr and the 4.1 Ltr, both in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.